What is Console.log and how does it debug JavaScript? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle without seeing the pieces clearly. That's what debugging JavaScript feels like without Console.log. It's a simple tool that makes your code much easier to understand and troubleshoot. Console.log is a built-in JavaScript method that prints messages, variables, objects, or arrays to the web browser's console. It's like a messenger that shows you what your code is doing behind the scenes. When you write Console.log, it displays the information you want to see, helping you track the flow of your program. For example, if you want to see what a variable holds at a certain point, you just write console.log variable. When the code runs, the value appears in the console. This is especially helpful when working with functions or asynchronous code, where things happen out of order. It lets you see the sequence of events clearly. The console itself is a developer tool built into browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. You can open it by pressing F12 or right-clicking on the page and choosing Inspect, then clicking on the Console tab. All messages from Console.log and other console methods show up there. Using Console.log strategically is key. Place these statements in your code where you want to check what's happening. For example, before and after a function call, or inside a callback function in asynchronous code. This helps you find where errors start or why something isn't working as expected. In error handling, Console.log is especially useful. When an error occurs, logging the error message or stack trace helps you understand what went wrong. It can show you the exact line where the error happened or the sequence of events leading up to it. In asynchronous JavaScript, Console.log can reveal the order in which promises resolve or callbacks execute. Since asynchronous code can be tricky to follow, logging helps clarify the flow and catch issues early. Besides Console.log, there are other methods like console_warn for warnings, console_error for errors, and console_info for informational messages. But Console.log remains the most common and versatile tool for debugging. Mastering Console.log is a big step toward writing better JavaScript. It helps you see what your code is doing in real time, find bugs faster, and understand how functions and asynchronous parts work together. When errors happen, Console.log can be your first line of defense to diagnose and fix problems quickly.